Welcome to Graphics and Design, the brand new tutorial for Photoshop. And in this tutorial we'll be creating a simple poster design, just using a single brush in Workshop. And I hope you guys gonna love this one. So without any further ado, let's submit the video. Here we are in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create a new file, Ctrl+N. So for that, go to File. And I will just go for a 1080 over 1280. Put the resolution as 300, color mod RGB. And bitrate to 16, background contents white. And let's click on Create. And let's drag and drop this image over here. Right now let's drag another image over here. And let's convert all this image as a smart object. Right click, convert as a smart object. Now let's make the bottom one a little smaller, Ctrl T. Maybe something like that. And let's make this a little smaller, Ctrl T, and let's move it somewhere around here. Yeah, now let's select code layer, make a group, Ctrl G, and let's create a solid, and I'll just keep it as some kind of dark color or something. Create another layer and go to the brush. And this is the brush that I use. If you want to download the same brush, so this is the brush that I use almost. And if you want to download the same brush, check on the description B. Kind of background pattern. So alright, now let's add some text. So go to the text. Yep, let's maybe remove that one, or maybe let's keep it all the way to the bottom, and maybe let's change the color overlay. Now go over H. Click on clip to layer, and maybe let's drop down the saturation. So that's the final, and that's the wrap up for today's video. And before signing off, don't forget to click on subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon.